What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, we're going to start with Convective Outlook Day 2, which does have a slight risk of severe weather here. As you can see, for parts of west central Texas here, extending into east central Oklahoma, where Dallas and Tulsa is in the risk area, in the slight risk area for these severe storms. And as you can see, the marginal risk extends all the way up into Indiana here. So there's going to be a wide swath of severe weather potentially here for tomorrow, you guys. And as we check the probability here, tornadoes. We do have a 2% tornado threat here. I'm going to zoom in a little closer across parts of east central Oklahoma, extending into parts of northwest Texas here, you guys. And as we move to the hail probability, you can see that is even a larger, encompasses a larger area here across Texas, and with a 5% extending all the way into parts of Illinois and Indiana here. And as we go to the wind threat, you guys, you can see the wind threat is mainly across parts of west central Texas into east central Oklahoma here, you guys. And we do have a significant hail threat as well, you guys, for the Texas Hill Country, extending into east central Oklahoma, which does include the city of Oklahoma. So, you guys, we do have to be on the lookout here tomorrow if you stay in this area of the country in the southern plains for severe weather. Tornadoes, hail will be the main threat here, you guys. Some large damaging hail will be possible with some damaging winds. So, as I said, if you stay in this area of the Texas Hill Country in east central Oklahoma, this is the main area to be on the lookout for Thursday. Now, you guys, as we segue into Convective Outlook Day 3, which is for Fridays, taking a little minute here, a little slow today, you guys. All right, here we go. You can see we now have an enhanced risk area for parts of the lower Mississippi Valley here, north central Louisiana, of just about much of Mississippi here, and parts of southeast Arkansas is under an enhanced risk of severe weather. Jackson, Mississippi, Alexandria, Greenville, all these areas could see a strong tornado, large hail, and some damaging winds. On Friday, we do have a slight risk that does include the Memphis area, the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain, extending even into parts of East Texas. There's going to be the slight risk of severe weather. Then we do have the low threat marginal risk, which does include the city of New Orleans, Houston, and almost going as far west as Dallas here, and extending as far north as the St. Louis area, you guys. We could have a marginal risk of severe weather. This is for Friday, you guys, so the details are still kind of like, still being ironed out, but the models are starting to get a good handle on this, and they're all coming into better agreement here. And we're going to take a quick look at the GFS, you guys. We're going to pull up we're going to pull up the 500 millibar with the 850 low level wind profiles. And as you can see here, this is Friday around 4 p.m. in the afternoon going into the evening. You can see the strong low level jet here starting to erupt across North Louisiana and southern Arkansas here, you guys, starting to enter Mississippi. And as we move on into 7 p.m. on Friday evening, you can see the ingredients in the atmosphere is going to be primed here with the strong low level jet over Mississippi, Louisiana, and parts of Arkansas, you guys. And with the dew points going to already be in the 60s, maybe even a few low 70s, but the majority of the dew points will be in the 60s. So the energy will be there. The dynamics will be there, but let's see how these storms take advantage of the atmosphere and the dynamics in this part of the country. And as you can see here, extending down towards the New Orleans area, it looks like the strongest of the severe weather is yet again going to be to our north here from the New Orleans area. And as we move this on to 10 o'clock at night, you guys, you can see the low level jet starts to spread into Mississippi, even further into Mississippi, and now starting to head into Alabama, you guys. So it could be a very active afternoon, evening, and overnight, you guys, here across parts of the lower Mississippi Valley and into the mid South. So please be on the lookout, you guys. You know, you can always come back and check for the updates on at your weather on the fly, as well as your storm as well as the Storm Prediction Center's website. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. I'm gonna have more details on this convective outlook here for Friday, day 3 tomorrow. So everyone, please be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.